Zil Zilliqa surged more than 350% and still not stopping. Zilliqa team has announced a lot of great news about the development and the partnerships. Among this biggest one was the announcement of their unique metaverse. But before we get in, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHUB, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So, without further ado, let's begin the video with the introduction of Zilliqa. Zilliqa is a permissionless, public blockchain to execute thousands of transactions every second. To address the issue of blockchain scalability and performance, it employs sharding as a second-layer scaling solution. As of April 2022, the platform hosts many decentralized applications and also enables staking and yield farming. Zilliqa's development began in June 2017, and the testnet became live in March 2018. The mainnet of the platform was launched a little over a year later, in June 2019. Furthermore, Zilliqa's native utility token, Zil, is utilized to process network transactions and execute smart contracts. Now let's look at what sets Zilliqa apart from the rest of the blockchains. Zilliqa promises to be the first public blockchain to use a sharded network exclusively. This enables it to reach high throughput and a high rate of transactions per second, hence resolving the scalability issue. According to the company, because each shard processes transactions independently, the number of transactions that can be processed per second increases as the network develops and the number of shards grows. Furthermore, records are instantaneously posted to the Zilliqa blockchain after processing, requiring no additional confirmation time. Furthermore, Zilliqa aspires to be the blockchain of choice for large-scale enterprise applications, such as advertising, gaming, entertainment, and financial services and payments. The platform's team stated in its 2018 position paper that it aims to rival existing centralized payment mechanisms. Anquin Capital and Zilliqa Research, the corporation that developed Zilliqa, both have considerable ZIL reserves. The Zilliqa network is still operating in 2022, processing millions of transactions every month. The blockchain has also been consistently growing, moving from over 900 blocks per day when the mainnet first started to over 2,500 blocks per day now. Now further, let's move to the latest news of Zilliqa, which led it to surge over 350% in the last 5 days and is still not stopping. And it all happened when the first Metaverse as a service, MaaS on the Zilliqa network, was revealed. The recently announced Metaverse project, Metapolis, will be accompanied by an early access event on April 2 in Miami. Furthermore, the only method to acquire access right now is to enter the competition sponsored by this Reddit post. Tickets to the event, or a limited edition NFT and t-shirt, are among the prizes. More details will be revealed via Metapolis AMA with the Zilliqa leadership team noon EST on Wednesday, March 30. This isn't like any other old metaverse, such as Sandbox or Decentraland. Agora, a worldwide talent awards app, has also teamed with Zilliqa. Creators may be able to post content to the Agora app and have it added to the Metapolis metaverse through a community vote as a result of the agreement. In addition, Agora award winners are presently eligible for grants of up to $150,000. Returning to how the metaverse will function, we can claim that there is scant knowledge on precise elements of how Metapolis will be experienced by users ahead of the AMA. NVIDIA Omniverse is anticipated to be used in conjunction with the Agora Alliance to facilitate the creation of 3D content and user collaboration. Agora's mission is to provide possibilities for people all over the world to create a global community content metaverse where producers can be directly compensated through NFT sales. Looks like a novel way to achieve that goal. What do you say? Finally, let's discuss the price prediction. People have started believing that most probably ZIL will hit $1.05 by the end of 2022 if the current positive trend continues, for which the influence is already visible in the first part of 2022. But afterwards the climb may moderate, but no significant drops are forecast, with impending partnerships and developments hitting $2 or at least $1.05 is a bit of a stretch in terms of pricing, but it's certainly doable shortly. However, it is important to note that the price projections of many experts do not prevent Zilliqa ZIL from beating its competitors in any way, even in the terms of being best metaverse and being the best blockchain out there. Nonetheless, the Zilliqa community has established higher standards for itself, and which somehow are turning out to be true as per the current situation is concerned. On the other hand, another expectation is that ZIL market share in the crypto industry will far exceed the expectations of all investors who have found this platform to be incredibly user-friendly. It would not be an exaggeration to say that Zilliqa has reached a high of 21 cents. However, this cannot be described as a particularly overblown and buoyant peak, but even today $5 looks achievable if everything continues to go as planned. So that's the end of the video, but still, if you have any questions about Zilliqa and their metaverse, or if you think I have missed any news that should have been there, so as I always say, do mention that below in the comment box. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.